And Eleanor is over here talking with the groundskeeper guy who lives here. Real nice old guy named Jerry. She's like, Daddy, can I go talk to Jerry? I'm like, totally, go talk to Jerry. Alright. So Eleanor was over here talking to Jerry, and then I remembered I had a corn dog cooking in the microwave for 1 minute. And I don't know what went wrong yet, but full of smoke. And there's the corn dog. Still smoldering, and then the plate broke and it got so hot. So, sorry, Jerry. On here?
That's going on here.
Oh, you guys want it over?
Yeah.
Is it still making sounds?
Yeah.
Wow, that thing got hot. Gotta be careful.
Your turn. Daddy, it's on yours already.
Oh, it was on mine? So I was following Teo down there. I heard something, and over here behind me, this one slipped off the edge, skinned her knee, and now we're in recovery mode. Better?
Yeah.
Doesn't that feel weird?
No. Lily pad.
Yeah, lily pads.
Doesn't really feel anything different than the normal.
Yeah, oh really? How about
What is it?
still no? How about
No.
no? You
Look at all that algae.
you are trying to say this feels like a normal dock?
It actually does though.
Fake. So fake.
Everything feels like a normal dock except the water.
Hey, look in here. Check out the seaweeds there.
Should I try and touch it? Is this whole dock literally just
Floating, yeah. Touch it.
Yo, it's barely underwater.
Yeah.
This whole dock would just float. Daddy, this whole dock.
So they weren't liking the idea of coming out here for a little bit. At least he was kind of grumpy, and now I made him come out here on the floating dock. I'm soaking in the water right now, and they went to go get rocks. They're gonna drop rocks in the water. It's crystal clear, pretty darn clear. And here they come, dropping rocks as they go. Well, hey, leave the lily pads alone, guys. Let's see what you got.
I just brought some rocks.
All right.
Gonna see if I can skip one.
Let's see if you can skip one. All right. Let's see how you do. Eleanor's like, oh, I'm done.
Ready?
Yep.
Ah.
What are we up to? What's going on with all those rocks?
Gonna put them in there,
And then what?
and you're gonna see them.
Do what? Fall to the bottom? All right, hold on a second.
It looks. Keep the boom spawn.
All right, so just took a little nap in the truck. I set the hammock up from a tree to the corner of the Jeep, and it was an awesome little nap. But right now the kids want s'mores, so we are going to build a fire right over here. Teo, are you preparing the ceremonial s'mores dance? Is that what you're up to?
Yeah.
You almost hit your sister in the face there. Watch it. And you, what are you doing?
Watching for the fire.
Okay, you can make a little bit of noise for a little bit longer, but you can't make noise forever, because why? Do you remember?
Quiet.
Quiet. It has been a fun day. One part exploration, one part relaxing, and I mean, just look at the water over here, how glassy it is. It's pretty awesome. The kids wandered over here down on the break wall, and I have a feeling they're probably up to no good, but good, healthy, no good. What are you guys doing? Playing with rocks?
I'm raking this humongous rock, and this is what I got off of it.
Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh, you're making a tower? You're making a rock cairn?
Yeah, all these pieces have their saddles. You should put on them.
You guys are having fun. Hi, what do you do?
Hey, you see this rock?
I do.
You see that boulder?
I see. What are you gonna do?
I think you know by now.
All right, let's see. Hours of entertainment. On that note, we've had a good day, so you know the drill. Work hard, play hard, be a big softie when you get home. And here's some gratuitous shots of us making s'mores.